Can you talk about kind of what you keep your room temperature at and any other products that you put over top of the mattress to keep your body cool?
Again, it depends a little bit on your metabolism. If you have a fast metabolism and your body temperature is higher, you're going to need to cool the room more. So some women that are premenopause or menopause tend to have a higher body temp. If you have a lot of lean muscle mass, you're training, exercising a lot, you can have a higher body temp. So I keep it around 65 to 67 degrees is room temp. But the technology I use is called the Chili Pad. They have a new version. It's their third iteration. It's called the ProDock. It's phenomenal. And I have one for each side. So my wife's temperature is different than mine. And you want it to basically be pretty cold, but now what's great is some of these newer models will actually warm up as you're getting closer to your wake up time, which will help improve your REM. So in a perfect world, it's quite cold earlier in your sleep phase or your sleep cycle, and then later is going to warm up a little bit, and that's going to help you wake up and get, feel more refreshed.
This really is like the most nutrient rich supplements that you can find, and they are amazing. I have tried them. I absolutely love them. So use the coupon code